Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is a very short video. I'm shooting here. So behind me you can see Fido. And guess what? I have a phone, iPhone 16 Pro Max from Fido today. And I'm really excited to unbox this. So keep watching and let's see how the phone looks. Thank you. Alright, now this is the time of surprise. A big surprise to myself and maybe to all of you. Okay, so I have just got the phone from Fido, which is iPhone 16 Pro Max. I know it is late. iPhone 16 Pro Max got launched in September, right? September, and this is January 6th. आज चाहिँ January 6 हो र आज चाहिँ मैले फाइनली iPhone 16 Pro Max लिए जुन मलाई धेरै अगाडिदेखि लिनु थियो but because of different reasons I was not able to get it. So finally I have got the phone. Now it's time to unbox the phone. Alright, so here we go. The phone. Ta-da! Fido! So there we go. So first we have got this Ultra Glass 2 for my back cameras and the front screen. These are the QRs which I'm gonna scan and get secured in my phone with Rogers. And you know what? I have got Rogers plan, which is of 100 GB, and it's quite good plan, I would say, than the previous one that I was using. That was Fido with 20 GB plan, but I was paying almost $41. So right now I have 100 GB plan, which has a lot of services and qualities with just $50. Yeah, so that's also good news. And then we have this is not the phone. This is the case that I have got. Phone case. This is transparent, the standard one, which most of the people use. And the guy who gave me the phone, he was really generous and really kind that he managed to give me everything, including this case, the glasses, just in $50. किनभने नर्मली एउटा केसलाई एउटा फोन कभर लिनको लागि क्यानाडामा तपाईले एटलिस्ट $50 अथवा $60 तिर्नै पर्छ हैन। तर मैले यहाँ चाहिँ स्क्रिन ग्लास and then my back camera's glasses and this one which is itself a worth of $60. I got in $50, all of these. That's a good thing, yeah. And then this is very important thing, by the way. This is a very long list of bills of all these things, so let's ignore this for now, but that's really important, yeah. Now, not yet. Phone is yet to come. So this is the 5G multi-SIM of Rogers. I have already put the SIM in my old phone, but I'm gonna transfer that to my new phone, of course. So, and this is 5G, of course, and I'm gonna, I think, love it. This is gonna make my phone work really fast in terms of connection and network, for sure. Finally, here we have the iPhone 16 Pro Max in my favorite color, which is Desert Titanium. So let's now unbox. Can you get the camera a little bit forward, facing to the phone? So here we unbox the phone. Let's see what's there. Ta 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 ta. So, okay, sorry. So this is the phone, and you can see I have already put my glass for the screen, and I have also put the glasses for the camera backside. So the color is really beautiful, isn't it? And finally, iPhone 16 Pro Max. Okay, and I have got this wire. I think this is for the charger, for charging the phone. But I don't see my charger. I don't get the charger, so I have to manage myself. So I have already one charger with me, which I'm gonna use, and I think I'll get one more charger for this phone especially because it's the new phone and I can't rely on the old charger for charging my new phone. So that's all. And I'm really happy today that I've got the phone. Thank you everyone for watching, and please keep watching my videos. Thank you so much once again. Bye.